Hello everybody, my name is Rafi. I'm beyond camping. I'm inside the woods. I can see many things up in here. Look, they're ghosts. Many things up in there. I'm beyond camping myself. Here, am I looking good? Good. I'm supposed to be out these woods. Past the woods. There's no danger anymore. And see nothing over there. Hey, I think I can see something. There are more people think so. Nope, nothing. Nothing I see. I clear see everything properly. What is this place name? Let's see. Shororitu. Amazing. Ramchandrapur, Fulbaria, Kaliak. Oh, I cannot read this. But Gazipur. Okay, this is really amazing thing. It's a photo. I think people died up in here. The whole thing is cooking. The rogue is, this one is not cooking, but this one is cooking. I think a zombie coming up in here. Cooking. This is really, really amazing. I suppose I'm looking good. I'm looking smart. Smart. So I'm a big cave with it up in here. Looking good, right? Amazing. So my work is to find the bus where we came from. Oh, woods! Woods, I love woods. Still goes up, two people are coming up in front of me from here. I should keep moving their basketball stake. Cricket scam. One is grub. Very good. This place of Bangladesh is amazing. I see some houses. I'm not sure could come from there. I can see the bus. Where is it? Where is the bus? I be a cape myself. Come on. Two people are coming. Yep. Amazing. It's amazing. So, where should I go? You go this way or this way? There are two signboards up in here. One is the way I came back, and one is the go up in there. This is really weird. I think I go this way. Okay. Really good. I'm walking alone. This is amazing. I've got some fever up inside. Oh, look, I'm funny, man. Woof. It looks good. I don't see any more else. Sorry. Oh, a volleyball concakes. Some long capes up in there. Hey, look, a man is eating. Okay, I'll be your cape later. But this is for now. Because I'm gonna say next. Hell yeah. বাস গাড়িগুলো এখানে নাই বাস গাড়িগুলো ওদের মাঠে হ্যাঁ আইছে না ওই মাঠে আর আবার ঠান্ডা খাইলো Hey, I'm bigger keep up in here too. This is amazing. Wow, it came from the gate outside. Hello, uncle. And see the busmans. I think I should go. Yup. Well, let's go. This place look good. Hey. Oh, car parking. It's up in there. Okay, I'll go up in here. I really watch Mark Millar's video too much. I love his ghost skills. And see, whoa, look. Look. It look really properly, look. It's some two woods floating on the air. It's really amazing. I hope nothing nowhere on the WC I think I should go up in here. My feet are walking too slow. Hands looking scared to punch somebody. Even this one's good too. My feet is covering up. So, I think I look good up in here, right? Correct. No, this scare old. I'm not going that way. This is the way to go back. I see any cars. Damn. Damn, this isn't good. There's a house full of shakes and a pancake. This looks is amazing. I suppose I go to straight to the hell. Bigger cape later. Good. I think I should cape. I have to do my. This is the way I came back. What the fucking hell? I came the way back. The same place. What the heck is going on? I think I'm really mad. Cause I am really mad. Caping too much isn't good. I'm caping and you're caking every single thing. Wugs, again those wugs. Once the bus driver is hilarious. Damn. Wait a second. There's another car inside, way over there. Let me. Oh my god. Okay, so go get the hell. I'm getting back. Don't look back. The woods are scarring. Hello, some peoples. Oh, he's coming. I don't see anyone. It's the ball. My bro. As the bus drivers. I think I should inform. So, this for all next time.